What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, man. It's your mother. Ooh, it's your boy J2 Wavy.
J2 Wavy.
Back at y'all, man, with another video, man. I'm so happy that you tuned into this video, that you decided to click on this video right here. This video right here, man, this is my very first barber tutorial, man. Let's get into it, man. So today on my client, we're gonna be doing a beard demonstration. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how crispy I get these beards, man. So the first thing I want to do is, man, I want to spray that beard. I want to hit it with a little bit of water. You know, you want to use your fingers a little bit just to, you know, get out some of the wrinkles and them kinks inside the beard. You know, sometimes you have to hit it with the water a second time, you know. Hey, over here on the Wavy channel, when you come sending this to Wavy, see, yeah, you might get drenched, bro. There's gonna be a lot of no, I'm kidding. Let me chill. But yeah, man, you want to make sure you pick out that beard, man. Honestly, before I even do any cuts or anything to the beard, I literally take about 3 or 5 minutes just picking it, man. You want to be soft with them hairs. You want to get up under the chin. You want to make sure that you hitting every single spot, because the better you got those hairs picked out, the more easier it's gonna be to actually work with them. So, like I said, I come with my spray bottle for the 3rd time. Then I take my pick, make sure I'm picking out all the parts of the beard. Make sure I get the sides up under their neck, everywhere. Anywhere I feel like is a patchy area, untouched, wrinkled, bushy area, I'm gonna make sure I pick that out, man. It's the only way that I can ensure that I get the most crispiest lines, the crispiest work, the best looking clean work. And then on top of using that spray bottle, I want to come and hit them with the hottest towel in my city, man. I think I got one of the hottest towels in Detroit, man. You know, when you sit in this chair right here, man, you get excellent service, 5-star service. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, we still yet to even cut the beard. We still in the process of picking it out. Y'all can see my client has a very thick beard, so I was using that blow dryer, you know, to kind of help me get a better formation of the beard. So, you know, I use that, hit it with a little bit of holding spray just to make sure that length that I'm picking it out to stays in place. So when I do get ready to, you know, trim the hairs and hit that line, I had everything crispy and picked out, blowed out as possible. So you see, I take my liners right here. I'm kind of getting them lips I'm kind of getting them hairs right there, right in front of the lip. Make sure I'm smoothing it out. I'm coming downwards on the beard. I'm not going into like the actual bulkiness of it yet. I'm just smoothing it down, making sure when you looking at them, standing straight up, the beard looks clean, not having any loose hairs sticking out. The next part I'm doing right here, as you can see that I'm actually getting into, you know, leveling it out at that bottom. You know, I want to go on my liners, just making everything smooth. You can see I started with the left side first. You see how it's different the right side look already. You can just see how much smoother it is. Look at that right there, man. That's all clean working. This is all because I did such a good job prepping the beard before I even started. Good job prepping the beard before I even started, man. So it allows me to get that, you know, that nice smoothness of the beard. So when you get ready to leave my chair, it's gonna be like, dang, bro, who you get your hair cut by, you know? I see a lot of barbers, they don't decide to hit that back line. I think that is very important. I think that gives a very good, solid look to the beard line. I hit it with a little bit more holding spray, you know, just really wanted to ensure that all those hairs in place, you know, not moving as I proceed to line up the top of the beard line. I'm going in for my kill shot right here, man. This first line that you make is very important, man. And I actually want to take that back. Not my kill shot, but this is setting me up for the kill shot. I go in real steady, real slow. I put in a soft line first because I always come back with my razor and use that about 1 or 2 times on top of already coming back with the trimmer itself. But yeah, I want to put a really soft line in there. As you can see right now, you don't really see a big massive curve on it, but by the end of this tutorial right here, you're gonna be left amazed, man. So you can see me, I hit the line a couple times, man. These clippers I got right here, man, the ordinary barber cannot possess these tools I'm using in my hand. Just too much pressure and you're assured to definitely be sliced, man. But shout out to Yachts for this razor, man. That's where I got this razor from. This is probably one of the oldest pieces in my arsenal for the equipment. I had the longest. I had this razor for 6 years. Like literally, I had this clipper before I was even in a barber shop, before I could even come up on a clinical floor back in the barber school days to even issue out a haircut. So I'm never getting rid of this thing, man. This thing gonna be with me until the end, man. It's definitely one of my most prized possessions in my arsenal when it comes to cutting the hair. So I make sure you stretch the skin when using that razor. Me personally, depending on the client, I've been cutting this client for a while now, and I really got comfortable, especially on him using the dry shaving razor technique. That's the majority what I'm using. I like to stretch the skin and just really hit the top of the line. I'm not really doing too much dragging across the skin, so I like to do a dry shave. That's me personal. But if you are a newer barber, I would definitely say, consider using some shaving gel. But same steps I did on the other side. We're gonna line the back of that neckline up over by the ear area, and then we're gonna go in with our soft line first, man. We're not applying too much pressure. You know what I'm saying? We're not trying to take over the game just yet. We want to let the game come to us, man. And even though I'm used to doing his beard, I still want to go in slow. I'm not trying to rush everything. I want to realign myself, make sure I'm constantly checking my mirrors back and forth in between the line, and if things don't look like they connecting, I'm gonna be patient. It's all about patience, man. Never try to rush a service or a haircut. If you're new to the game, man, your clients are gonna appreciate that a lot more, man. I get tipped extra sometimes just off taking that little bit of detail, man. As you can see, we ain't even done yet, man. This is an all natural beard lineup. We're not gonna enhance it, but you can already see how crispy the line is. I make sure I get up under that neck, man. There's no point of leaving my canvas messy with neck hairs up under the neck, man. Even though they might not be seen by the average person, still want to go up in there, man. Make sure you clean up them hairs. I just like a smooth surface everywhere, man. It just make everything just come together, especially since I already took down the beard and gave it that solid foundation. I come back over the lip, just want to hit that lip once again, make sure those little bitty hairs sticking. I see that long hair right there. I had to make sure I clip that. But yeah, man, this right here is literally setting me up, man. And we still got a lot more to do, man. I gotta hit it with my scissors and everything. Hey, y'all know I'm a master with these shears, man. I used to be able to play with these razors and do so many tricks. I still could do a lot of them, but back then I feel like I was really sweet at it. And if the barbers is not comfortable with pulling out them shears, these are not scissors, these are shears. Start using them, man. Get comfortable, man. Learn to love the craft, the game, man. Everything is gonna come to you, man. Never try to rush, skip steps. Just do everything that you was taught in barber school, man. Just these little bitty details pulling off these shears could possibly be an extra $10 in your pocket. A lot of people are scared to use these shears right here. They don't pull them out during services. I like to use them pretty often. That's me though. I definitely recommend it, man. It just helps me get those loose hairs without taking too much weight off into the beard. And then if y'all can see my client's beard, I love how he has this black streak going down the right side of the face. He kind of has it on both, but it's a little bit stronger on the right side of the video. I kind of think that's really dope, man. I can't wait to see how, changes an old man to see what my beard look like. But this right here was the before, y'all. Y'all can see how he came in looking. Hey, take a look how my boy leaving now. Crispy.
J2 Wavy, J2 Wavy.
Over at the 2 Wavy channel, man. We're gonna be doing a lot more of these tutorials. If you appreciated this video, man, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, share this video to at least 3 friends. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I'm gonna be dropping plenty of videos, but this is my #1 first tutorial. I appreciate all the love. Peace out, man. It's your boy
2 Wavy.
Yes, sir. I'm out of here. Peace.